Plastic trash, an environmental disaster. But what if I told you that this waste could be transformed into something beautiful and sustainable? Today we're showing you how to turn discarded plastic into a dream vegetable garden. We all know the devastating effects of plastic on our planet, but with a little creativity, you can repurpose this waste into practical tools for gardening. Not only does this reduce environmental harm, but it also saves money. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need to get started. Plastic bottles any size, plastic tubs or containers, a sharp utility knife or scissors, sandpaper optional, soil and compost, vegetable seeds or seedlings. First, clean the plastic thoroughly with soap and water. Once dry, decide what you want to create. Bottles can become planters, drip irrigation systems, or mini greenhouses. Larger containers can be turned into raised garden beds. Don't forget drainage holes. Proper drainage prevents root rot and ensures healthy plants. Sand down any sharp edges for safety. Now it's time to bring your garden to life. Fill your containers with a mix of soil and compost, ensuring it's nutrient-rich. Plant your vegetable seeds or seedlings according to their specific needs. Group your plants based on sunlight requirements. Place sun-loving plants like tomatoes and peppers in bright areas, and shade-tolerant greens like spinach in partially shaded spots. For consistent watering, try this simple drip irrigation hack. Take a plastic bottle, drill small holes in the cap, and bury it halfway near your plants. Fill it with water, and let it work its magic. This method conserves water and keeps your plants hydrated for longer. By using plastic waste in your garden, you're not only giving trash a second life but also contributing to a cleaner environment. Plus, you're setting up a low-cost, sustainable gardening system. Imagine enjoying homegrown, chemical-free vegetables, all while reducing your carbon footprint. A few bonus tips to keep your garden thriving. Rotate your crops every season to avoid nutrient depletion. Use companion planting to deter pests naturally. Regularly clean and inspect your plastic containers to ensure longevity. And there you have it. From plastic trash to a thriving vegetable garden. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can turn waste into wonders.